How to install drawer fronts. Before starting, you'll need the following items. For drawer fronts, the installation process is easy. First, remove the old drawer front. Locate the two existing screw holes on the drawer. Make sure your new drawer front style works with the position of these holes, as well as the handle you will use. Using spacers, line up the drawer front with any other adjacent cabinets and/or drawer fronts. Determine the distance from the spacers to the holes, as well as from the sides to the holes. Using this measurement, put painter's tape on the back of the drawer front and mark the spots where the screws will go. Drill pilot holes then screw the drawer fronts onto the drawer. If the drawer front needs more fine-tune adjustments, loosen the screws, line up the drawer front, and try tightening the screws again. Repeat this process until you get a good result. You can find more step-by-step guides to measuring, fitting, and adjusting your doors by subscribing to our YouTube channel. Ready to place your order? Visit our website or give us a call.